Hi, hello, welcome once again PS Academy aspirants. Today we are going to discuss finding percent of a given quantity. How to find out the percent of given quantity? First, if I asked find the 25% of 400, then how to find out 25% of 400? So that means 25 by 100. 25%, that means 25 by 100. Up means into 400. So now you just cancel 0 0. So 25 into 4 is 100. If I ask 25% of 400 is how much? That means you just say 100. That is 100. If the question is that, if the question is seeking if 33 whole 1 by 3% of 600 liters, then that means 33 whole 1 by 3% of 600. If there is a fractional percentage, if you say 2 by 5%, so simply you can write down 2 by 500. Then how? If there is a fractional percentage, that means 2 by 5 divided by 100, that means 2 by 5 into 1 by 100, so it is 2 by 500. So simply if there is a means fractional percentage is there. So now if I multiply 33 into 3, 99 plus 1, that means 100 by 3 percentage, that means 100 by 300 into 600 liters. So here 300 2 that means now 100 into 2, that is 200 liters. So if I have 33 whole 1 by 3% of 600 liter is 200 liter. But in case of decimal, if it is given decimal, so suppose if it is given that decimal 0.45 percentage of 90 meter is equal to how many meters? As you know, if there is a decimal, simply if you want to convert, then otherwise as you know that 0.4% means 0.445 by 100 into 90. So now you can cancel here. So then here 0 0 cancels. So now you multiply it. So 45 into 9, 9 how much is there? So 9 45, 5 then 4, 9 4, 36, 36 4 40. That means 405. Then where you put the decimal? Then here by 10. Then when there is a means divide with 10 numbers, that means 10 100 like this, so the point should be means move or shifted towards left as many as zeros in divisor, so that is what is the answer. So 0.405 meter, that is 0.405 meter is there. Okay, or otherwise if you want then cancel here, then find out also. Then another process also is it is know that for 0.4 by 4 5 percentage means 45 by 100 percentage, that means here also means two zeros are added, that means 45 by 10,000 into 90. So simply you just got it 0 0. Then 45 into 9 is equal to 405 by 1000. Then when you rate it is 0.405 meter. Then this is the one way. But suppose if the question is given that find 120% of, then 120% of 40 kg. So how you find out that 120% of 40 kg? So 120 by 100 into 40. So simply divided by 20, it's 5. Then here it is also 22. Then 5 when you divided 120 divided by 5, it is 24. So that means 24 into 2, it is 48 kg. So 120, that means 40 kg, that it is more. Then 120, 100% is 40 kg, 120% is it is more than the 100, so your value is also more than the given quantity. Means in this way you can find out the percentage of a given quantity. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.